Leo najua mnajiuliza ni aje. Leo nawapeleka China. Unaona hadi outfit. Sha. Wewe. Greetings wherever you're watching us from. Karibuni sana to another episode of Drill Kitchen. And I'm gonna be your host, Uncle Drill. Leo najua sawa najiuliza ni aje luku hapa nini drip. Leo tunaenda China. And kenye tuna make leo itakuwa kitu very interesting sana. But pia shosho yangu alikuwa anajua kupika. So hii ni Asian Chinese cookery na tuna mix na grandma style. We're gonna be making what's called chicken. Hotel imetoka. We're gonna be making something called beef stir fry, okay? And basically beef stir fry tunatengeneza na beef yenye imekatwa in a style inaitwa flakes like this. You just cut like a strip kitu refu hivi unakaa kama blada hivyo. So yeah, basically ni hivyo, and all the other things zenye umeona ni ingredients zenye zimekatwa in a cut known as the Julian style, which is everything inaenda in stir fry form, okay? Sawa. So we're gonna be serving our stir fry with potatoes, and in this case tutakuwa tunatengeneza something herbed, which is some herbed potatoes, and we're gonna be using parsley for this case. Okay, straight to the ingredients. I'm gonna take you through the ingredients. And what we need is beef, the stir fry, okay? And then we have peppers in mixed colors. So those are the mixed peppers, green, red na yellow. Alafu tuko na vitunguu cut in julienne form pia. And then tuko na on the left of this plate with the green stuff ni coriander, yon dania, and on the right ndio parsley. So hapo katikati tume distinguish with some garlic hapo katikati, so that you can tell the difference. Ukiziangalia closely there's a difference. And while making stir fry, soy sauce is key, and that's one of the main ingredients ambao the Chinese use, and this is the soy sauce, okay? Sawa. All right, so we're gonna go straight to it without wasting time. Power on. Director ever. Power on, nice and easy. Mafuta leo mnaona tuko na kachupa hivi. Nimwambia leo tunapeleka China. Tuko na kachupa hivi ka mafuta hivi interesting. Okay, sijui nafaa kwa nini lakini tuna try kuleta hiyo theme ya China. Sawa. Power on, nice and hot. Pan in. Haya. Oil hapo straight. So if you check closely, everything tumefanya it's mise en place, and what we do is pre-cook ama something called blanching, like for the potatoes. Hiyo ni chef terminology, but hii ni kuchemsha basically. So kuna blanching of the potatoes, and then tuko na pia blanching of the beef. So pan is nice and hot. We're gonna put our onions, just a handful, break through like so. Okay, enough oil hapo ndani. Make sure oil iko generous enough. So some oil kidogo. And the Chinese, what they use to cook with, ama what they use up to date, they use a wok, something called as the wok pan. That's what you use for stir fry. Na kwa kubwa hivi kama ule mama wa samaki inakoga hivi, alafu iko na tumasikio hapa na iko na handle. So that's what they use for the stir fry, okay? But this tutatumia just the pan, okay? All right. Give your onions some toast. Inaitwa toasting. Nataka by the time uko na chama pale mama unatumia terms hadi watu wanajua siku hizi unajua hizi vitu. Okay? Some more onions. And in the meantime kuna kuwa na a lot of heat hapa ndani ya jikoni, so lazima to spice up hapa hivi atmosphere kidogo with something cold. That's why I'm using the grapefruit apple juice. Au sio? Sawa sawa. Glass hiko pande gani? Karibu na sisi hapa. So we're gonna have our apple juice straight like so. All right. Move that. Just enough of this. Kidogo tu. Hadi hapo iko sawa sawa. Just enough of this. Kuna mbio. All right. Our onions zina get into a state known as caramelization. When zinaanza to turn brown, that's the best part of having ready onions. Okay, give them a toast namna hiyo pole, and then let's have some garlic chopped. If you want, unaweza fanya fine chop. If you don't want, unaweza fanya just a little bit of some chop. It's quite so small. Okay, so we're gonna use a little of garlic apple. Then chop. Turn the power down kidogo. It's already hot. All right, garlic in like so. Simple. Go fruit kidogo. Nice. Okay, give that a toast. Looking beautiful. All right, straight goes our beef stroganoff, not stroganoff, flakes. Okay, so beef kidogo pale ndani. Umeenda wapi? All right, give that a shake like so. Some little of oil tena kidogo. If you watch most of the Chinese cookery style, utaona they use a lot of oil. Wanaekaga a lot of oil in their food. So give that a toast. All right, looking beautiful. All right, salt kidogo, just a sprinkle like that, drizzle. All right, nice. Black pepper. Oops, where? Black pepper. Nice, beautiful. Okay, give that a toast. All right, more beef. Hii ni more beef because tuko wengi hapa in the house, so production team, everybody, nani hapa, wageni pia, wewe ukitaka unaweza kuja tukule pamoja. Sasa all right, looking good. Sasa it's about time to weke our peppers, and we're gonna start with red kidogo hivi like so. All right, and one secret I'm gonna give you while using peppers, usi overcook sana, just kidogo tu. Sipike ati mpaka inakuwa ni kama inakaa sijui namna gani. All right, yellow pepper straight in, so kidogo sawa. The secret behind any stir fry, remember, is the soy sauce, as I told you. Sawa. Okay, gonna put this kidogo, and then gonna leave a little bit ya time ya kugarnish. Sawa. All right, give that a toast. Looking beautiful. I think director has a focus on kidogo how it's supposed to look like. Looking nice, looking easy. All right, good. All colors in through. Sawa. Toast that. Rudi ndani kwa pan. Power on the high. Soy sauce kama kawaida, I told you, Chinese style. Okay, soy sauce may originate from the style, from the Chinese style of cookery. So soy sauce, some drizzle, round and round. Nyamangu nilikuwa nime blanch, and I had put a little of some seasoning kidogo before blanching, tapata some taste. Sawa. Okay, some toast. Wewe zimeenda mingi. All right, remember, always use a wooden spoon real quick. Wooden spoon kwa non-stick na pan. Sawa. Give that a toss. Pole. Beautiful. Nice. It's smelling good in here. Good. Good. Smelling good in here. I know people can tell from the TV hapo, unaweza tell how you feeling. Okay, so we're gonna have a little of taste kidogo. One trick while you're making stir fry for your potatoes, for me, sit up clean the pan. I'm just gonna use my pan like that, so Let me feel how seasoning is going about. Beautiful, beautiful. Can feel all the spices incorporated nice and well, easy. Okay, do that toast like so, like so, like so. I think some little of soy kidogo. All right, nice. Toasting is Chinese style. Even unaona tunashinda tukirusha rusha. Oh, usichoke. That brings about more flavor than of course the traditional style cooking. That's why we incorporate mwiko ya shosho and Chinese style of toasting. Sawa sawa. All right. Hizo nyama zinaenda hapa. Wewe kuja hapa. All right. Everything is ready. Back to our bowl. You wanna put that in there? Looking beautiful, nice. All right. Look at that, director. Look at that. All right. Looking good. Nice. All right. Straight to the side. Kidogo. Power to the low. Oil in. Nice and hot. Na kikuwa hot pia huku ko hot, so go for it kidogo. Nice and easy. All right. Okay. Some garlic while we're doing this, because we are putting our potatoes into herbs. All right, herb form. Okay, so some garlic, chop 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 chop. More garlic. Power into the low. Okay, garlic, chopping 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 chopping. All right, oil nice and hot. You can hear the sizzling sound from that. Okay, all right, power to the high. And as we do so, tutakuwa tunakata our parsley. We're gonna give our parsley some little of some chops because of the sprinkling into our potatoes. Okay, so drive your knife hapo katikati vizuri, nice and easy. Chop that, chop that, chop that, chop that parsley. Nice, nice, nice. More parsley. Yeah, just like a little more. Okay. Yeah, a little more parsley. Looking good. Parsley has a good aroma, good smell, and also some good, very decent flavor. While new to parsley, some people don't like parsley, but as you get used to it, it's a very, very good herb. Okay, so potatoes, walu, potatoes. Okay. Remember, while blanching, you see, overdo your potatoes, so get so keen on that. Sawa sawa. So potatoes inside there. Give that a toast because of the what do you call this? Flavor. Incorporate all the flavors in here. And this is not burnt. Najua kuna mtu anasema this is burnt. This is not burnt. This is how when you cook garlic, how it's supposed to look like. Okay. This mtu akisema ati burnt. Sema burnt ni nini? Okay, I'm having a gunia ya viazi hapa because as I told you earlier, or even if sikuambia, is that we're gonna be eating too many people of us. Okay, so a little of some oil pale into the side. Healthy eating tips: you can also use butter if you're in a position. All right, some sprinkle of parsley inside there, like that, looking beautiful. Okay, give that a toast. Give that a toast. Yeah, potatoes are hot. All right, power to the low. Hapo sawa. Okay, lovely, 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 lovely. Some coriander to garnish our beef. So tutaweka hiyo kando kidogo. coriander. Usikate chop fine sana. No, you can just pitisha tu kisu kidogo into big chops, okay? Yeah. Also, dania iko na very distinct smell. I love the smell of dania. It's so distinct. Okay? Period. Viazi ziko ready, ziko nice, ziko beautiful. Gonna give a little of some coriander hapo into that. Straight to the plating kama kawaida. I told you sani yangu inakuwa karibu na mimi sana. Oh, also have another in a director. Hii najua director ndio alileta karibu. Sawa. So we're gonna go straight to our plating, and gonna have a spoon. Gonna put just a little bit of potatoes apple. You can also put so much more if you want, kulingana vile you feel it, okay? So potatoes apple straight, nice and easy, lovely. You can also serve na sauce yenye unataka, so unaweza put some ketchup, anything, whichever. Just change, play about with what you have. So okay, so beef ndio hiyo. Power iko off. Hey, hii kijiko inaleta mambo. Alright, the bigger one. So far looking nice. Okay, that's generous, a generous portion of beef stir fry. I'll see you. Alright, and presentation, you know, it's key. So presentation is key. So like so, nice and beautiful. Viazi kidogo, and you can also drink this with your go fruit. Najua nasema imekauka, lakini hapo ndio go fruit anaingilia. Sawa. Alright, I think it's a wrap. I'm gonna put a little just a little of parsley into my potatoes to give that a fresh smell. Sawa. Okay, while presenting, remember kila kitu ikuwe incorporated nice and easy, all the papers looking beautiful. And this is a wrap from China. And we're going back to Kenya, so boom. Alright, so in the meantime, keep drilling, keep safe, and that's how nilikuwa nafaa kuanza na nyingine. That's how you make your stir fry or beef stir fry, grandma Chinese style, uncle drill style, whichever. So nirudi kwa ile statement sasa. In the meantime, keep drilling, keep safe. Yo, respect. Boom.